I going through the back? I'm with my oldest daughter today.
Assistant. Too.
Assistant. Okay. Say hi. She's looking all official with her hard hat on. Goodness. Oh gosh. Is this any better to go through? Hold on, right. Let me go through first. All right. Let me put this on. Pause.
It is protecting me from the sun.
Okay. So this is. You can stay there, right? Okay. It is all bricked out now. You guys have probably been here and seen this, but. Okay. Let's go inside. Drywall is in. Okay. Let me go to the front. Yeah. Nobody's coming in through this door. Yeah, no, I didn't do over here. Okay. The island, let's go in here. This is sink. Is that the stove connection? No, that's the stove. Sink is definitely here. All right, about to go up. You stay right there. Because this is the room, remember? They closed in the ductwork that was here. As I'm recording, I'm looking as well, see if I see anything out of sorts or anything like that. Okay. Nice and quiet behind you. So this is gonna be linen closet. Realtor closet. Nice little pond right there. You sure? So you must have to put something back there. Shower, and then we'll do sink, closet, and yes, it does walk through to the laundry. I don't know if it was just me, but when I looked at the other lot 20, they had it closed off. So maybe that was a mistake over there. Like it was beams from what I remember going through. So that's neat. Okay, another bedroom. This is Jacques and Jill. Yes. So bedroom, sinks, bathrooms gonna work great for the kids. And then another bedroom. Yay! And both bedrooms seem to get good light. Bigger closet.